Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like Netflix intro video on CapCut PC. So if you want, you're just going to screen record this first. I'm just gonna wait until you do that for a bit. Maybe I should create a template because this doesn't look high def. I'm not quite sure actually. But okay, once that's done, you're going to add some names. I do not know what font this is. I'm just going to use the default font that CapCut has. And I'm just going to type in like names here and just like place it there until like this is gone. So like until here. I'm just going to zoom in as well a little bit. And I'm going to lock this first so I can move this around. I'm also going to copy and paste that and move it like there. I don't know why I said there like that. And like again here. Trying to line it the best that I could. You could probably more be accurate than me. And Amy, I don't know. There you go. Now once you're done, as you can see, there's going to be like this green screen bit. So you're going to add a green screen to it. I'm just going to select everything and put it up one track so that I can add in a video underneath that. Maybe also turn off the magnets as well. And I'm just going to start here. On the video, I'm just going to split it in half. And where the green screen starts, I'm going to go to cutout. And I'm going to select chroma key and add in the color picker and adjust the strength. And adjust the shadow as well. I'm just going to delete everything, it's fine, but you don't have to. It does delete some stuff because I'm not sure why the chroma key doesn't pick that up. And you can like add in a title here as well if you'd like to, like Valorant or something. And like the description of it as well. This game is ruining my mental health. Right. Do not play this game unless you want to have your mental health ruined and just like put it there. I don't know. And that should be it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!